Tips for selling clothes online. Here is how to make the most of selling your clothes online. Take lots of clear photos of your items. Help the buyer envision themselves wearing the clothes you're listing by taking photos with a good quality camera and lots of natural light. If possible, try and take a photo of someone wearing the item. It's much easier for buyers to visualize what the item will actually look like that way. Do you have a particular style such as retro or vintage, or large quantities of a certain item like trainers or jewelry? If you can give your page a theme, you'll attract loyal customers who'll keep coming back for more. Maintain a good reputation. Be honest about the quality of the item you're trying to sell, including if there are any stains or tears. Always respond to messages and feedback. You could even throw in a little handwritten note thanking the buyer for shopping with you. Make your clothes presentable. It goes without saying, but give your items a good wash and an iron before you sell them. No one is going to want to buy a creased shirt. Ensure your descriptions are accurate. Make sure the sizes you're advertising are spot on, and if something's labeled as a size 12 but feels more like a 10, let shoppers know. Nobody likes buying clothes online that turn out to be the completely wrong size. Keep up with fashion trends. Certain things will come in and out of style, so jump on top of trends and make some cash from it. Think seasonally. Festival wear will sell better in summer, while people are more likely to be shopping for woolly coats in the winter. But if you're selling to an international audience, keep their seasons and climates in mind too. Be realistic about pricing. Just because you bought it for £30, doesn't mean you'll get that when you resell it. In many cases, people aren't prepared to pay as much for something second-hand as they would brand new from a shop. So, don't scare customers off with high prices. Don't lose money on the postage. Check postage prices in advance and add that on top of the advertised selling price. Most sites will have a separate section for this. You can splash out on tracked or signed for delivery, but as a minimum, you need to keep a hold of the proof of postage in case something goes wrong and your parcel doesn't arrive.